Hey, this is a Lostronchus geode for State of Disorder, and I will have your shipment out ASAP. Ooh, nice. Oh, that's a weird one. So one side of it filled in quite a bit, but you've got a lot of well-defined quartz. You've got a decent amount of calcite drusen. Let me see if I can get a good angle in on the pocket of this one. It's fun. Some really well-defined quartz fingers. You should get some good fluorescence out of this one too. Thank you very much for your order. I'll have the rest of it out soon. Have a good day.